It's a great pleasure for me to say something before you. We all dream big, we want success, we want growth. And let's be honest, we sometimes want it overnight. But life has a very funny way of reminding us nothing great comes overnight, except maybe instant noodles. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Asadul from page 44. Today I want to discuss about consistency. Consistency is quite often boring, but magical key is that unlocks greatness. Think about this: a small drop of water falling on a rock does nothing, but the same drop of falling water every day cuts a hole through a solid stone. So that's not speed, that's not strength, that is consistency. History is full of example. You know that the great inventor Thomas Alva Edison. Thomas Alva Edison did not invent this light bulb in one time. He became over 1,000 times failure. You imagine that after the 999 failure, he said, "Forget it, I am switching to candle." What could have happened? We didn't see these beautiful lights. We didn't see different types of colorful light around us. Another example of, you know the name Harry Potter series. It was very famous, and this book is all-time best-selling book. The writer of this book, J.K. Rowling, was rejected by 12 publishers before someone finally said, "Let's give this Harry Potter thing a chance." So why we are worry our result? So why we are stop after 2 or 3 attempts and we fail? Consistency is not about a perfect thing. It's about showing up even on days you don't feel like it. You may not run 10 kilometers every day, but if you run a little every day, you will go far. You may not become a fluent in English language, but if you learn one new word each day, you are soon surprise yourself. Here's the funny part of consistency. People often call consistent people lucky. Wow, you are so lucky, you won the race. But consistent people say, "Lucky, I have waking up at 5 p.m. for 6 months. I was hardworking with dedication, and I am always focused on my goal. That's why I won the race." Here's the consistency. It's not luck. It's wearing a tie and suit. So, my dear audience, today I encourage you. First of all, you chose your goal, even a small one. Second thing, show up it every day. And third one, when it get it boring, you smile, because boredom is a sign of building something strong. So, in the conclusion, I say success is not built in a day; it is built day by day. So, we work hard with dedication and focus our own goal and never give up. Today, tomorrow, we will be success, inshallah. Thank you, everyone, for hearing me such a nice way. And that's all for my today's speech. Thank you, everyone. Assalamu alaikum.